Oh, there are Pocoyo and his friends. It looks like they're building a tower together. Hello, Pocoyo.
Hi.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, Pato. Good catch, Ellie. Everyone is definitely working together to build this tower. Oh, what's wrong with Pato, Pocoyo? What are those funny noises he's making? Can any of you tell Pocoyo and the others what's going on with Pato?
Hiccups! He's got the hiccups!
That's right! Pato does have the hiccups.
Hiccups.
Oh, don't worry, Pato. Hiccups are nothing to worry about. But they are rather annoying. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups, Pato? Maybe together we can think of a way to help Pato get rid of his hiccups. Oh, sounds like Ellie might have an idea. Oh, what is Ellie doing? Oh, Ellie wants Pato to hold his breath. Nice idea, Ellie. Do you want to try it, Pato? OK, Pato. Take a big breath on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Pato. That should do it. Oh, dear. And it seemed like such a good idea. Oh, you have an idea too, Pocoyo. Oh, what is Pocoyo doing? Oh, I see. You think Pato can get rid of his hiccups by standing on his head. Well, what do you think, Pato? Want to give it a try? I say, I think this time it might have worked. Oh, well. That seemed like a very good idea too, Pocoyo. What's that, Ellie? Do you think hopping on one foot might get rid of the hiccups? What do you think, Pato? It does look a bit silly, but you never know. Perhaps everyone should jump on one foot to make Pato feel better. Well, it was worth a try. What's Pocoyo doing now? Oh, he's holding his breath, standing on his head, and jumping on one foot all at the same time. What do you think, Pato? Psst, hey, come here. Pocoyo, while Pato is doing that, I might know a way to get rid of the hiccups, but it's a surprise and Pato can't know about it. One way to stop hiccups is to give someone a surprise. You know, like come up behind him and say, boo! No, come back. Pato can't know that you're going to startle him. It has to be a surprise. Oh, hiding. What a good idea, Pocoyo. Why didn't I think of that? I've got another idea. Why don't all of you help Pocoyo and Ellie say boo? So let's all say boo after 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, our boo didn't scare him, but it started the tower swaying right behind Pato. Pato, watch out!
No hiccups.
It worked! The surprise that surprised everyone cured Pato's hiccups. Hooray for working together! Hooray for Pocoyo! Hooray for hiccups! Bye-bye! Oh no, now I've got them. See you soon!